Money, money, money. In today's lesson, we'll be reviewing insurance. Insurance is basically protection from a financial loss. There are many reasons to have insurance, such as accidents, thefts, fires, and illness. These are just some of the things that can cause a financial loss. Let's follow the advice of Benjamin Franklin. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Today, we will cover key terms, the most common insurances, such as health, homeowners, life, car, pet, and travel. Then, at the end of the video, we'll take a look at the big question. It is the most important thing we need to know about insurance. First, we need to look at a couple of insurance terms. Premium is your monthly or yearly payment for coverage. And if you stop paying, you could lose your coverage. The deductible is an amount that you have to pay out of pocket before your coverage kicks in. Copay is your required payment for your service. And claim, when you submit a bill to the insurance company for repayment, it is called your claim. Next, let's take a look at health insurance. Health insurance can be divided into medical, dental, vision, and prescription insurance. Your employer usually provides medical insurance, and a majority of Americans have employer-sponsored plans. Lower income households can usually qualify for Medicaid. If you are unemployed or self-employed, you can buy insurance on healthcare.gov, which is the Obamacare website. And if you are retired, you most likely have a Medicare, a government-sponsored healthcare plan for retirees. Medical insurance will cover preventative care, emergency services, hospitalization, illnesses, and surgeries, among other things. These plans will usually have a deductible that you have to pay in addition to your premium. Dental insurance is, of course, for your teeth. While it is essential for good health, it is usually not included in your basic plan, but you can usually pay an additional premium for coverage. Vision insurance will cover your eye appointments, glasses, and contacts. Prescription insurance is for medication and is essential if you have a long-term illness that requires medication, such as diabetes or high blood pressure. Then we will look at homeowners insurance. Home insurance will usually cover damage to your home, but you may have to pay extra for a hurricane, flooding, or earthquake insurance, depending on your location. If you like money, hit the like button. We will also look at life insurance. Life insurance is dominated by two main categories: term life insurance and whole life life insurance. Term life insurance is by far the cheaper option and provides coverage to your family if something should happen to you. Term insurance will only cover you for a set period of time, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. If you have a spouse or children, then term life insurance is quite affordable and an absolute must to make sure your loved ones are taken care of. Whole life and universal life insurance is a little bit more controversial. It costs quite a bit more than term life insurance, but it does allow you to build a cash value on the account, and the insurance company will also pay you interest on this cash value. This life insurance is permanent and does not have a term limit. Next, let's look at car insurance. If you own a car, the government usually mandates that you have car insurance. The two biggest categories in car insurance are collision and liability. Collision covers the car and will replace the vehicle or parts if a covered component is damaged. This portion usually has a deductible, say around $250. So, if there is damage under $250, your insurance company will not be liable for fixing it. Whereas liability insurance covers the people and any injuries that may result in an accident with your vehicles. There are several different components to this, including medical, uninsured, and people in your vehicle that you may want to or be required to buy coverage for. Another common insurance is pet insurance. When you have a dog as cute as mine, you really want to make sure they are protected. Pet insurance will usually cover an emergency vet visit and vaccinations for your furry friend. Our last insurance we will quickly review is travel insurance. This will usually cover trip interruption and lost luggage, as well as any accident while you travel. If you'll be traveling for an extended period of time, you can also get longer term travel insurance that acts more like emergency medical insurance. Remember, this is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. These are my personal thoughts and opinions. Now, it is time for the big question. Should I get insurance? As we learned at the beginning, insurance is to protect you from a financial loss. So, if you have something of significant value that you need to protect, then you should definitely get insurance on it. Wow, we learned a lot today. It is so important to have a basic understanding of finance before we move into the next series on the stock market. So, if you need a refresher on any of these topics, click on the playlist so you can review it now.